Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the host PC and your client. First, enable remote desktop or remote access in the host system settings and write down the PC name or IP address so you don't guess later. Next, make sure the PC is awake and either on the same LAN or reachable over the internet. Adjust power settings to prevent sleep. Then install the remote desktop app on your device and sign in if the app requires authentication. This gets you ready to connect. Once done with the basics, you configure access and security so the connection works reliably. Add the user account you'll use to the remote desktop allowed list and verify credentials. If connecting over the internet, forward TCP port 3389 on the router only as a last resort. Instead, set up a VPN or use the app's gateway to protect the session. Make sure the host firewall allows the remote desktop app and enable network-level authentication or now you connect and verify everything works. Open the remote desktop app, enter the host PC name or IP, pick display and resource options like local drives or clipboard, and press connect. When connected, check screen resolution, audio, and any redirected devices to confirm proper behavior. If it fails, systematically troubleshoot. Confirm the IP or PC name, ensure the host firewall and router forwarding are correct. Test VPN or gateway connectivity, and recheck user credentials. One wrong setting is usually the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.